How to upload high quality media in Threads. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are using Threads and want to upload photos or videos in the best possible quality, then first of all open the Threads application on your device and sign into your account. Once you're inside, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. From your profile section, click on the two menu buttons at the top right corner and select More Settings. Under More Settings, select Media. Inside Media, go ahead and toggle on the switch right next to Upload Highest Quality. Once this button is turned on, you can now get back to the home page. And now, whenever you create a post or upload a media, you'll be able to upload it in high quality. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.